You have to dream before your dreams can come true. Dream is not the thing you see in the sleep, but is that thing that does not let you sleep. Dreams transform into thoughts, and thoughts result in action. You cannot change your future, but you can change your habits, and surely your habits will change your future. If you fail, never give up, because fail means first attempt in learning. If you want to shine like a sun, first burn like the sun. Don't take rest after your first victory, because if you fail in second, more lips are waiting to say that your first victory was just luck. Man needs difficulties in life because they are necessary to enjoy the success. The best brains of the nation may be found on the last benches of the classroom. Excellence is a continuous process and not an accident. All birds find shelter during a rain, but eagle avoids rain by flying above the clouds. Don't read success stories, you will only get a message. Read failure stories, you will get some ideas to get success. Confidence and hard work is the best medicine to kill the disease called failure. It will make you a successful person. If you are born with fame, it is an accident. If you die with fame, it is an achievement. When our signature changes to autograph, this marks the success. All of us do not have equal talent, but all of us have an equal opportunity to develop our talents. To succeed in your mission, you must have single-minded devotion to your goal. Creativity is seeing the same thing but thinking differently. Failure will never overtake me if my determination to succeed is strong enough. Winners are not those who never fail, but those who never quit. I am not handsome, but I can give my hand to someone who needs help, because beauty is required in the heart, not in face. Two rules for a peaceful life: depression in failure should never go to heart, and ego in success should never go to the brain. Luxury and lies have huge maintenance cost, but truth and simplicity are self-maintained without any cost. Never be a prisoner of your past. It was just a lesson, not a life sentence. Empty pocket teaches you a million things in life, but full pocket spoils you in a million ways. Love your job, but don't love your company, because you may not know when your company stops loving you. Work is a never-ending process. It can never be completed. If you salute your duty, you no need to salute anybody. But if you pollute your duty, you have to salute everybody. Small aim is a crime. Have great aim. Let us sacrifice our today so that our children can have a better tomorrow.